Imagine you're a project manager juggling a dozen tasks, deadlines looming, and teams scattered across the globe. How do you keep everything organized, on track, and stress-free? In today's fast-paced world, efficient project management is more crucial than ever, and that's where Wrike comes in. But what exactly is Wrike, and how can it help you streamline your workflow? What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based collaboration and project management platform designed to simplify and enhance the way teams work together. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features that make it easy to plan, organize, track, and collaborate on projects of all sizes. Key features and benefits. Let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make Wrike a valuable asset for teams and individuals. Task management. Create, assign, and prioritize tasks with ease. Set due dates, add attachments, and track progress. Use Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and timelines for visual organization. Collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with team members, clients, and stakeholders. Share files, comment on tasks, and hold online meetings. Use real-time updates and notifications to stay informed. Time tracking. Accurately track time spent on tasks and projects. Generate detailed reports to analyze productivity and resource allocation. Optimize workflows and identify bottlenecks. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows to save time and reduce errors. Create custom rules and triggers to streamline processes. Reporting and analytics. Generate comprehensive reports and analytics to track project performance. Gain insights into team productivity, resource utilization, and project timelines. Make data-driven decisions to improve project outcomes. Use cases for Wrike. Wrike can be used by teams and individuals across various industries and project types. Here are some common use cases. Marketing teams. Manage content calendars, campaigns, and social media initiatives. Track website projects, SEO efforts, and email marketing campaigns. Collaborate with designers, writers, and developers. Software development teams. Plan and track software development projects using agile methodologies. Manage sprints, tasks, and bug tracking. Collaborate with developers, testers, and product managers. Creative teams. Manage creative projects such as design, photography, and video production. Track deadlines, collaborate on assets, and share feedback. Professional services firms. Manage client projects, track billable hours, and collaborate with team members. Ensure project delivery and client satisfaction. Wrike versus other project management tools. While there are many project management tools available, Wrike stands out due to its comprehensive feature set, ease of use, and scalability. Here's a brief comparison to some popular alternatives. Asana. Known for its clean interface and focus on task management. Trello. A popular Kanban-based tool for visual organization and collaboration. Basecamp. A project management tool with a focus on simplicity and communication. Getting started with Wrike. If you're ready to start using Wrike, here are a few tips to get you started. Create a free account. Sign up for a free Wrike account to explore the platform and its features. Customize your workspace. Set up your workspace to match your team's needs and preferences. Start creating projects and tasks. Begin organizing your projects and assigning tasks to team members. Explore the available integrations. Connect Wrike to other tools you use, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can help you streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and achieve your project goals. By leveraging its features and benefits, you can become a more efficient and effective project manager. Ready to give Wrike a try? Sign up for a free account today and experience the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.